Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. In this video, I am going to explain about a very beautiful techniques given by the Master Osho. The name of the meditation is Anapan Sati Yoga meditation. Actually, this meditation given by the Buddha, the Gautama Buddha, and he practiced this meditation, and out of this meditation he got the enlightenment. So we all have this capability to get the enlightenment, to get to our inner joy and happiness. So by practicing this simple and beautiful meditation technique, you can get to your own self, you can connect to this divine self. Very simple and very amazing practice. So what we are going to do in this meditation, I will going to explain about the technique, the benefit, and at last we will practice at around 3-4 minute practice, and just watching me, just listening me, and close your eyes that time. So what is this meditation? This meditation we are focused on our breath, the breath which is happening every time 24 hours. If you are in the state of coma, if you are in the state of deep sleep, if you are in any state of life, any condition, any medical condition, any physical condition, the breath is continue moving. Without breath there is no life. But we are never aware of the breath. We are aware of chakras, we are aware of many different things, but this simple thing which is happening continuous 24 hours, we are never aware of this breathing. So in this practice of meditation, we are simply aware of the breath. The breath is going inside and moving outside. We just aware of the breath. Nothing to do, just be aware of the breath. So what happens when you aware of the breath? Actually the breath is the connection between the physical body and the subtle body. So when you practice, when you become aware of your breath, you move from your physical body to the subtle body. You will get so many different experience when you practice this. There are lots of experience I also got when I practice this meditation, and many people they got this experience of the subtle body. So this breath, this meditation connect between the physical body and the subtle body. It's very amazing and powerful meditation technique. And what happens when you practice it? In the beginning you feel that you can't focus on the breath, you are not aware of the breath. There are so many thoughts coming, you are completely frustrated. You will thought that, oh, this meditation is not for me, I can't do this practice. But if you continue practice, you will feel that the thoughts are getting less, and you are more aware of the breath, because we all have this monkey mind. It's continuous jumping from here and there. So don't judge. If you are so many thoughts coming during the practice, you again bring it back to the breath. So maybe it happened you are focusing on the breath, you are aware of the breath, and you are completely lost for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You are not aware that you are thinking, you are in some other place, you are daydreaming. So again bring it back. Whenever you remember, bring it back to the breath without any judgment. So slowly all this activity, this fluctuation of the mind, the vrittis, they are getting stop, and you are aware of your breath. Okay, so this is a simple meditation technique, and Osho explained that if you practice this meditation 1 hour continuous and without any thought, you will get the enlightened. Just 1 hour. So try. But it's difficult to get to the 1 hour without any thoughts, and if you can do that, you will be enlightened. So try this meditation technique. Now we will practice together. So sitting in any comfortable position and try to go away from any distraction. So this meditation I will again explain you. You can practice it anytime, anywhere. Suppose you are walking, you can just bring your awareness. You don't need to close your eyes, just bring your awareness on the breath. Suppose you are sitting on the railway station, you are waiting for the flight, you are waiting for your friend, you are talking, you are watching the movie, you are watching the YouTube. You just bring your awareness on the breath. The simple technique, simplest technique in this world. You are just mindful, just become aware of the breath. whatever task you are doing, don't need to close your eyes, and just become aware of the breath without closing the eyes. But now for 3-4 minutes we are going to close our eyes. We are trying to straight spine straight. Okay, open the palms to the sky, come to the comfortable position, take your time. Yes, and slowly gently close your eyes. Now we'll take few deep and slow breath. Taking few deep and slow breath, and feel that you are completely aware of the breath. The breath is moving inside. You are completely aware of the breath, and breath is moving outside. You are aware of the breath. Taking few deep and slow breath. Completely aware of the breath. I am aware that I am breathing. I am aware that I am inhaling. I am aware that I am exhaling. Few more rounds, deep and slow breath. Deep and slow breath, long breath. And now slowly drop. Be aware of the natural normal breath without any change. Your job is to just become aware of your incoming and outgoing breath without any change. If the thoughts are coming, let them come. You just be aware of the breath. If your mind wandering somewhere else, bring it back to the breath. Just be aware of natural normal breath. Without any change. The breath is moving slow or fast, deep or shallow, just notice it. Try not to change the breath. If you are feeling too many thoughts coming, you can again take few deep and slow breath, long breath, inhaling longer, exhaling longer, and again coming back to the natural normal breath. And now we will end our practice. Slowly move your fingers, move your toes, slowly and gently open your eyes. So this was the practice we did around 3 minutes with closed eyes. You can practice 15 minutes, 20 minutes with closed eyes, or just watching your breath in any moment of your day-to-day activity. You are doing any activity, just watch it. Or you can just sitting and watching the breath without any judgment, without any thoughts, just aware of your breath, the natural normal breath. And whenever you feel like there are too many thoughts going, just take few deep and slow breath, and again become aware of the natural normal breath. So this was practice of Anapanasati Yoga Dhyan. So practice it and let me know what you get the benefit. So thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. Take care. Spread the love, joy and happiness.